Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox edge check not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check the basics. Make sure that you're 13 plus, use your real birth date. Also, age verification is required for some features and experience. So simply go ahead and do so. The first thing you want to do is simply go to your account settings and go to account info and make sure that your birth date is correct. If not, you can simply go ahead and contact the support team. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and verify with your ID like driver's license, passport, etc. Also make sure that your ID is clear, not edited, and fully visible. If that is not the case, it might be your internet connection. Make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and cellular. Always ensure that VPN is off and try updating your browser or app, which should go ahead and fix your problem. Also, make sure that it is not your parental controls that is interfering with these settings. And if nothing works, then you might need to contact Roblox Support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.